In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually change your mouse cursor, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto Google and just searching up real-world graphics. I spelled it a little bit wrong, so hold on, real-world graphics, and then we're going to search this one. So as you can see, this will open up and all you have to do is click on Gallery and there will be a lot of different things that you can download. I'm going to click on cursors right here and there's a whole cursor library that you can use. If you want to browse other things, you can do that as well, but I'm just going to, for tutorial purposes, just use blue cursors. So I'm going to click on it and then download it. It'll download as a zip file. So I'm just going to open it up and extract it so that I have the file that is accessible. So once that is actually extracted, we're going to be able to pull up our file that shows the cursors and you're going to be able to change them. So you're going to go on to your settings and go to Bluetooth devices, click on mouse, and then you are going to click on additional mouse options. It'll pull up a little window that looks like this, and you can click on pointers. As you can see, there's different cursors for different types of options. So if you want to change the normal select, you're going to click on browse. And as you can see, there are a lot of different options. But if you know where you actually put the cursors that you downloaded, you're going to scroll down and see that there are different ones that I have downloaded. As you can see, I'm going to click on the cursor that is most similar to the normal select. So for this one, I am going to use, let's say we're going to use on blue link. We're going to open it up, and as you can see, that cursor automatically gets changed. Once you have all your cursors changed, you can click apply and your cursor will be changed. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.